Well, hi there and welcome back to my channel. I love to have you back here. You do know, if you're a returning subscriber, I usually publish on Wednesdays. But today I actually decided to do an extraordinary video announcing two big things which I am going to undertake with this channel going forward. And yeah, let's not waste any time. I'm gonna jump right in because I'm so excited to tell you this. Now, I have had many of you ask me whether I actually do coaching. And the example that I would usually give would be, I've done some coaching here and there. I've done corporate trainings, but that is quite different. When it comes to one-to-one coaching, my answer would always be, yeah, it's coming in the future. Yeah, let me just get some things straight. And I wanted to do a website where I'm gonna have those options listed, but I decided, you know what? It's not worth it to always push this back in time for some moment in which I'm gonna have time to do a website and everything. I didn't want to wait. Because there were so many of you that were asking about this, and I thought, why not do this? Why not actually have some coaching without necessarily having everything to be absolutely perfect and on a website and everything, and without having to go the whole site route for some reason. I already feel like I have a connection with you guys. So for those of you that actually want to be coached by me, I'm announcing in this video, yay, I'm finally doing coaching. And I'm finally offering it to you, actually, my YouTube family, because I usually, I would do it for friends, I would do it for people I know in life, and then I would do also corporate trainings, but I just haven't done it for my subscribers yet, and I thought it's high time. So yeah, if you're interested, you can send me a DM on Instagram, actually. Just send me a message over there. I'm gonna pop my handle on the screen. So I will reply to any message, by the way, so do not worry whether you follow me or anything. I'm gonna reply to any message. If you're interested in coaching, you can just send me a message with some more details of what you're interested in, your timeline, how often, etc. And then we can take it from there. And yeah, if you want to work with me one-on-one, I would be honored to do that, because I feel like here on YouTube in my videos, I actually have a lot of advice that I think is really good. That's why I'm sharing it. But at the end of the day, a lot of times I'll say, well, it depends on your circumstance, this and this can be tweaked depending on your circumstance, etc. And I feel like sometimes we all need some help with coming up with our language learning plan, hitting our goals, and just having some guidance. And a lot of the times I want to make my content as applicable to as many people as possible. But if you want some advice on your specific situation and your specific goals, and if you want to get really specific and everything tailored to you, that's when I think you can benefit from a language coach. So yeah, shoot me a message on Instagram if you're interested in that. And announcement number 2 on my channel today is that I am launching memberships on my channel. I was asked about whether or not I have Patreon, how people can support me and my work. And I really appreciate that, because really a lot of work goes into this channel. And if you're interested in supporting me, you can choose my channel supporter level. To those of you that were asking about Patreon and were wondering how you can support me through there. And then of course you get custom emojis and supporter badges, priority reply to comments, member shoutouts, things like that. I thought this is much better to do here on YouTube and to show you some love rather than do it on Patreon. So let me know what you think about that. And then I also have 2 other levels, which is one of those is channel fan, in which you get member only posts, in which you get to vote on my future videos, and then some behind the scenes photos and status updates. And then my last level, which is like a super fan for my channel, in which I would do members only live streams here on YouTube. And then in addition to the live streams, where you can ask me any questions and all that, which is something I've never done before, by the way, live stream. So here's to see how it's gonna go. I am really excited about it. But then in addition to that, at this level, I'm also gonna do an early access to videos. So this is something that I decided to do because I just didn't want to just have this thing where it's like, oh yeah, if you want to support my channel, you can do it this way. I actually want to give something back to you when you're supporting my channel, because I really appreciate the fact that many of you actually know that it takes a lot of work. So thank you for acknowledging that. I really work hard to offer a lot of valuable content here. So I'm very grateful for that, but I also wanted to give back something. So that is why I'm giving back those perks, and that is why I wanted to do it that way rather than through some other website or something like that. That's why I want to do it here on YouTube. So those are my announcements. Thank you for watching this short video. I just want to take the opportunity to just let you know what's going on, let you know that I am now coaching and that now I also have channel memberships. I'm very excited to to coach some of you. Yeah, I'll see you on Wednesday with a new video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down below, and then until then, bye bye, have a good one.